In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a capsule wardrobe and look good every single day. Outfits like this, this, and this will now look like this, this, and this. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you that you can do it for way less than you think it might cost. So in creating a capsule wardrobe, the first thing that you want to do is adhere to 7 main colors. These colors are dark blue or navy blue, light blue or baby blue, white, black, gray, tan, and olive green. If you stick to these colors, that's great. Why, you may ask? Because the special thing about these colors is that they mix and match, or match and mix. That I really wanted to say that. That's hard. You try saying that backwards. But anyways, they mix and match all together. So I can have a dark blue shirt on with tan pants and it'll look good just as it would with a light blue or white or black or tan or olive gray, or all these colors mix and match. Now the one caveat is like a tan on tan might be a little much, but for all purposes they mix and match really good. Okay, wait. So like let's take a look at these t-shirts and just see real quick what, like, let's just see. So for the most part these are the colors I was talking about. But you see, like, I have this yellow shirt there and this red shirt. So you might be thinking, man, is he saying I can never wear these shirts? No, I'm not saying that. However, in my opinion, this is a little more risky than those 7 colors. Because if you're wearing this yellow shirt, or even you're wearing this red shirt, the yellow shirt, you might look like a big Easter egg. In the red shirt, you might look like, hey, it's the 4th of July or Valentine's Day. And not that that's a bad thing. I'm just saying and say, like, hey, look at me. I'm wearing a big red shirt. So all these things are like subtle details that might be good to just keep in the back of your mind. So that's step 1. And so the thing with that is, if you go to buy clothes out in the store, a lot of times what's going to happen is all these clothing companies will want to sell you all of these patterns, like all these designs, like these different things. And while they might seem cool, the main thing with those patterns is that they are considered fashionable. Now the whole idea with the capsule wardrobe, you might say, what is a capsule wardrobe? Basically, it's like the necessities of what the basics of your wardrobe, your clothing, and it mixes and matches so you can have multiple outfits with a few amount of clothes. Now, I know if you guys have done any research or any like looking in or heard anything about a capsule wardrobe, you might think it's something like this, where you see the nice garment rack and you have like 3 clothes on there, 3 shirts. But that's unrealistic. Nobody has 3 shirts and that's it. So anyways, I'm going to show you how you can have a somewhat small amount of clothes and have tons of options. So the thing with the fashionable clothes is that all these patterns and stuff, all the companies want you to buy them because it's the new hip thing. But as soon as you buy it, like 6 months later, it's out of fashion, out of trend. It's no longer cool. But the thing that we're going for here, the key, is to go for stylish clothes. Think about it. If you think these colors in this capsule wardrobe are stylish, because if you think of say like a nice suit, Frank Sinatra looks good. He looked great in a nice suit just as much as James Bond did. And the difference in years could be 50 years ago to now. James Bond will still look nice in the suit. And just in the same way that like lots of girls or ladies look good in a black dress, like it's not going to go out of style. Or the white t-shirt. But all these companies are not going to try to say, hey, buy this white t-shirt because you bought a white t-shirt and then now you have one. But they want to sell you all these patterns and just try to stay away from patterns. So that's basically that. They all mix and match. The next thing is that accessories. Like, when you say accessories, I'm a guy that whatever. But you'll run into this a lot where you have like leather stuff. So that brings a question: are you like a black guy or a brown guy? Or do you have the black belt or the brown belt? Do you have the black watch or the brown watch, leather watch? For me, I'd say my advice is stick with one. and then after you've got a good foundation upon that, then go from there. Anyways, so here is a close-up of my watch. It's just the Daniel Wellington. I had the black version, and I have the white version, and so you got both colors. One other thing. I also have these tie bars. I had the short version and the long version, and black, gold, and silver. I mean, you gotta have options, and black, gold, and silver. And not that it matters, but I have gold on my watch. I had gold on my glasses, gold pin. It just everything ties together. So just the small details in life that matter. The next step in creating a capsule wardrobe is huge. Huge. If you don't do anything in this video, please do these 2 things. That's all I'm asking. First, if you don't iron your clothes, please iron your clothes. It's like brushing your teeth or making your bed. Just you got to do it. And if you don't already have an iron and say, man, what iron? I don't even know what kind of iron is good to buy. Buy this Rowenta iron. Buy this. It's like, if you're watching a movie today, you're not going to watch a VHS tape. You're going to watch HD. And this is the HD of irons. It's just this Rowenta iron. It'll help you get your iron on. Second thing is when you're wearing clothes, please get clothes that fit. I see people all the time wearing big clothes that don't fit them, and it doesn't look good. And if you have, I tried a shirt on the other day, and I was like, man, I really like this shirt, but it just doesn't, like, I just don't know if it fits exactly. Well, if you have to tell yourself that, ask yourself, I don't know if this fits exactly. It doesn't fit. So don't wear it. Get something that fits. And you might be saying, man, that's great and all, Austin, but like the shirts that you have, like, it's expensive to dress nice. And you might think it is, and it could be, unless you get deals. And I'm going to show you how to get deals. It's so simple. Like these shirts, $90. This is how much Polo Ralph Lauren long sleeve shirts cost $90. But do you think I paid full price for any of these shirts? Absolutely not. Why? Why would you pay more when you can pay less? It doesn't make any sense. So key places to shop. Just look around town. Look at thrift shops. Look, you can buy shirts and clothes off eBay. You can buy them off Facebook, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop. In fact, I'll put a link down below to my Depop page. It's kind of like a hipster page. Now, what I'm saying is, you might say, well, there are some clothes that aren't necessarily these clothes in there. Is that a I can't wear those. You're just telling me I can't wear all these. They have to be these 7 colors. No, I'm saying that you can wear other clothes. This is just the foundation of your wardrobe. In fact, I have drawers for different seasons because I'm not going to wear my more than likely I'm not going to wear my spring colors in the fall. That doesn't make sense, and vice versa. So I say it's good to have a few extra clothes that you can wear and kind of pull out and bring out for different seasons. And then also, you might say, well, I don't know if I really like that. I don't know if make sure it fits first. And then secondly, a cool tip to do is to take your hangers and flip them backwards. So flip all your hangers backwards and then hang them up in your closet like that. And then over like a month or two, as you wear your clothes, flip them the normal way, and then over like that month or 2 month period, you'll see at the end of that time, all the hangers that are still backwards, I haven't worn any of those. And then if you haven't worn any of those, say, man, I probably don't like this, because if I did, I would have wore it. And then you could just get rid of them and use that money to sell those, and then use that money to buy more clothes that you actually like. So go check out my Depop page if you want some hipster clothes, some graphic tees. Also, as I was looking around, trying to find deals, I stumbled upon this one page. It's actually on Depop, like the app for hipsters or whatnot, kind of, sorta. But it's called Buy Vintage Ralph, and they have a huge selection of Ralph Lauren clothes that are not $90 or way less. And I've actually they actually contacted me, and we're partnering with them for this video. And so I'll leave a link down below and a code, and you just message them that code, and it'll be good for 20% off your entire order, from them. So that's kind of cool. But that's basically it. How to make a capsule wardrobe. The key thing is that you want to have options. Say you wore a suit and tie to work every day. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but then it's not like then when you wear it, it's not that special. So if you can still maintain a nice wardrobe, even have graphic tees or regular t-shirts that are these 7 colors, and then have a couple options to add in there every day. So that way you can really look the best just every day. And as my one buddy Vise says,
there's a saying that says, dress for success.
Yeah, so dress to impress. You always want to look your best. Why would you not want to? And it's so simple. If you just start flipping your hangers backwards and selecting out the things that don't fit and curating these colors, you're right on your way to making a capsule wardrobe. And so that's it. That's really all I know. It's not that complicated. Please make sure to iron your clothes and get clothes that fit. If you have any other questions, comment down below. And if you think, try to save, mix, and match backwards. See if you can do it too. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, like it. Like it.